What's up, guys? It's that time again. We're giving away one of these, another Justice camera. If you've missed out on the Black Friday sale, there was a Cyber Monday sale, but we still got a 40% discount code going on, 40% off using discount code Karate Attorney. But hey, we're still giving one away next Friday, December 11th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you got to do is like this post, you got to comment and tag 2 friends, and you're going to share it on your Instagram story, but make sure you tag Awad Law Firm and Justice Camera. You do those 3 things, we will enter you into the raffle and give a lucky winner this Justice Camera. So, good luck, and we like to do these maybe every couple of weeks, so just make sure that you tag along and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Karate Attorney on TikTok. Good luck.